Good morning, class. We are back in our maths class with the remaining work of page number 54. Today in this class, we will do the remaining sums of page 54. Let's start with E part of question number 2. Okay, children, I have shared the page 54 on the screen. You can see it. Yesterday, we had completed the work till we have completed all the parts of question number 1 and half of the parts of question number 2 till this D part we have completed in the previous video. So today we are going to start the work from E part of question number 2. From this part we will complete the work. Question number E, the sum is 698 minus 400 minus 23. Children, you can see that here on both places subtraction sign is given. So we have to subtract the number. We will solve the sum in two parts. So first of all we will write 698 and we will subtract 400 from it. Subtract 0 from 8, this is 8. Again there is 0 and above it is 9. So we will get 9 here and subtract 4 from 6, this is 2. And now we have got 298. We will subtract 23, this number from this. Subtract 3 from 8, the answer is 5. Subtract 2 from 9, the answer is 7, and here it is 2. The answer is 275. Now next question, F part. (146 minus 267 plus 735). Children, as in the previous video, I have told you that where there are both operators plus and minus, so first of all we will use the positive sign. So first of all we will add the numbers. 146, add 735 to it. We will solve this. 5 plus 6 11, write 1 down and take 1 as carryover. 5 and 3 8, 7 and 1 8. So first of all we will add the numbers. By adding the numbers we got 881. Now we will subtract this number, 267. Subtract it. 1 is smaller than 7, we cannot subtract it, so we will take 1 borrow from 8. Here it will remain 7. Now it is 11. When we subtract 7 from 11, the answer is 4. Subtract 6 from 7, the answer is 1. And subtract 2 from 8, the answer is 6. The answer is 614. Next part, G part. The question is 642 minus 68 minus 124. Children, you can see here both signs are of subtraction, so we will solve the sum in the sequence. 642 minus 68. 8 is greater than 2, so we cannot subtract 8 from 2. We will take one borrow from the next number. Here it will remain 3, 4. Again 6 is greater than 3, so we cannot subtract 6 from 3. We will take one borrow from the next digit. It will be 13, and here 5 will remain. 7, 5. The first answer is 574, and the next number which we have to subtract from it, it is 124, 054. Children, now we have next question, H part. This is 537 minus 320 plus 173. So again there are two different operators in this sum. So first of all we will add the numbers. Where there are both topics, we will add the numbers first. 537, add 173 to it. This is 10, 0, take 1 as carryover, 4 and 7, 11, 1 is carryover, 7. Now the first answer is 710, and now we have to subtract 320 from it. Take 1 as borrow, here it will remain 6. Now 9 and 3. The answer is 390. With this we have completed all the parts of question number 2. Now we will start writing question number 3. A part. Here the numbers are given in 4 digits. Children, you can see in the first question all the numbers are in 2 digits. In second question the numbers are given in 2 and 3 digits. In third sum the numbers, most of the sums are given in 4 digits. But the pattern is same. We have to follow the same rule. 3124 minus 2846 plus 4649. Again there are both operators, minus and plus. So first of all we will add the numbers, this and this. 3124, 4649. We will add these numbers like this. 4 and 9, 13, 3, carry over 1. This is 7, 7, 7. 7773. We have to subtract 2846 from this. Take one borrow from the next digit. Here it is 7, 2. Again there is a need to take one borrow. 9 and 4. Now B part. (1024) minus 512. Again there is a minus 512, same number. Both operators are of minus, so we will do the sum in the sequence. 2, 1, 5. The answer is 512, and next number is also 512. When we subtract same number from same number, we get 0. Next, C part. 5283 minus 6271 plus 2345. So first we will do addition part. 5283, add 2345 to it. You know this is simple addition only. This is 8, 12 ka 2, carry over 1, 3 and 3 6, 5 and 2 7. 7628. We have to subtract this number from it. 6271. This is 7. Take one borrow here because 7 is greater than 2. Here 5 will remain. This is 5, 3, 1. Now we will do D part of question number 3. The sum is 6200 minus 1001 minus 2781. Here again there is a subtraction only, so we will subtract the numbers 6200 minus 1001. Children, you can see above it's 0. We cannot subtract 1 from 0, so there is a need to take one borrow. Normally we take borrow from the next digit, but next digit is also 0, so we will take borrow from next to next. This is 2, so first of all we will take borrow from 2 to this number. This will be this will be 10, and here because we took 1 as borrow, so here in place of 2 it's 1 now. And now from this 10 we will take borrow to the ones place, and here 9 will remain, and here it is 10. So now we will do subtraction. We will subtract 1 from 10. The answer is 9, and here it is 9 and down it is 0. So when we subtract 0 from 9, the answer is 9. Now children, you can see that here in place of 2 it's 1, and down number is 0. We can subtract, we will get 1 here, and subtract 1 from 6, the answer is 5. So 5199, and subtract this last number from this 2781. 8 1. We cannot subtract 7 from 1, so we will take one borrow, and here 4 will remain. This is 4 and 2. Now we will come to the next sum, E part. The question is 4352 plus 45 minus 2967. Here there are both operators, plus as well as minus. So first of all we will solve addition part. 4352, add 45 to it, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 5 9. Here it is 3 only, so we will write 3 and it is 4. The answer is 4397. 4397. We have to subtract 2967 from it. Subtract 7 from 7, this is 0. 6 from 9, this is 3. Children, in the next digit, which is on 100 place, here 3 is smaller than 9, so we cannot subtract it. So there is a need to take one borrow. We will take one borrow from the next digit, that is 4. So here the number is 3 now, 4 and 1. Now we have last sum of this page. The question is F part. The question is 1045 minus 1725. Third number is plus 8317. So first of all we do the addition part. We will add this number with this number. 1045 we will add 8,317 to it. 5 plus 7, 12, 2, carry over 1, 5 and 1, 6. This is 3 and 9. 9,362 minus 1,725 from it. Take one borrow. Here 5 will remain. 7, 3. Again there is a need to take borrow from 9. 6. Subtract 1 from it. This is 7. The answer is 7,637. Children, with this sum, we are completing this video also. We will meet in the next video in the next class. Till then, bye everybody. Take care of you.